As always, please try the question again, reading the subsequent context before watching this video. There's a couple things you need to know about this question and all questions on the ACT is that you need to be reading super closely when you are reading the passages because they are going to test your attention to detail. So if you're skimming, you're likely skimming over the very details that they are going to test you on. Some students spend as much as 7 minutes reading the passage. That's probably excessive, but you can still read the passage and have enough time to answer all the questions, even if you read 7 minutes. 5 minutes is more the sweet spot for most students, and that is where we recommend for you to be. But we will go through each of these answers to eliminate wrong answers. So all answers are usually partially correct. All of the answer can be correct except for one word, and that one word makes the entire answer wrong. And you need to know that every answer must explicitly be stated in the text. You're not looking for the deeper meaning in the words, you're just looking for what is explicitly stated. So for number one, it says the point of view from which the passage is told is best described as that of. So because we can see from the very beginning the personal I is being used, this is first person. So we can already eliminate answers C and D just from the first person perspective that is demonstrated in line 1 and throughout when she's referring to herself. Line 69, where whenever I imagine, etc. So it's first person again throughout, therefore we can eliminate those. Answer A, a first person narrator who recreates a story, that is true, about her parents and the birth of their first child, also true, events which happened before the narrator was born. That is not true. Part of this might have happened before she was born, but we know from line 32, we'll start at 30. How is my queen? Said Baba, caressing my mother's face. She's lovely, Mama said, thinking he meant me. And so we know there that she was already born. And then the rest of the story happens after she was born, of him running through to rename all the things. And so we can eliminate answer A because that one part of the answer is wrong, leaving us only answer B, a first person narrator who offers insights into characters, thoughts, and relates actions mainly from a time she was too young to remember. So everything in that is correct. It is first person, insights into characters' thoughts, and relates actions mainly from a time she was too young to remember. All these things are accurate, giving us answer B. So whatever you learned here, go ahead and add it to your worksheet. Master it by writing out the exact details as to what you learned that would help you get this question correct, and brainstorming things you can do in the future, like reading slower, reading more closely, reading the passage in a different amount of time, recording how long you're spending, whatever it is. You can come with a million different things to try in the future to see if it'll help you get these correct.